got involved over 20 years ago. I really enjoyed it for the last 20 years. Both my daughters played for the club. I was born and reared in Mungoot. I'm a native of Mungoot, so Mungoot St. Paul's is my club and I appreciate it. Nowadays for youngsters it's so important to be involved in sport. Here from 5 years up, the ladies football have them every Saturday morning above in the pitch, and it's so important to keep them involved. We're very good underage, we have very good intermediate team. We won the intermediate last year for the first time, so they're senior this year. The highlight of my football career, I never played it myself, but 2010 Limerick won the All-Ireland above in Croke Park, and it was so proud to see Kathleen playing goals that day, and there was 5 girls from this club on the team. I was never a committee member, I was always in the back room, anything that was going on, fundraising, sandwiches, washing jerseys, anything like that that's involved in the club. That was my role. When I received it, it came by post and I opened it, I was just shocked. I did not expect anything like it, because what I do, I enjoy it and I'm happy, but to get something like that, I was, I suppose, thrilled over the moon for such an award. I suppose it's a great honour for me, a great honour for my family, and a great honour for my club and my county.